What's up guys, Alex Boyer here and welcome back to another video. You're probably asking yourself, why are you wearing a hat right now? Well, it's bad hair day. I can't wait to have a haircut, it's crazy, it's pretty long. I actually look like a rock star, which I'm okay with. But anyway, today I'm wearing a hat. Also, today is the day that you guys are going to learn this one, the trick with all the duplicate. If you're new here, in the last video that I did, I actually talked about my everyday carry, my Magician EDC. And one of the things that I always carry with me is these cards right here. And the reason is in this video. By the way, this effect destroys hecklers. Oh, you're welcome. So if you guys are ready to learn this amazing effect that can destroy hecklers as well, smash that like button, grab yourself a deck of cards, let's do it. First of all, you'll need three things. The first thing you need is a deck of cards. I'm using the Halo deck. If you guys want to know more about this deck, you can actually click in the link below. Now, the second thing you need actually is to know how to force a card to your spectator. And if you don't know how to force a card, well, your boy Alex is here for you. Click right here and it's going to show you 3 ways to force any card you want. So go watch that video, learn it, and come back here. I'll wait. For real, I'll wait. The last thing you need is some duplicate. You need some duplicate cards. This is what I've showed you in my EDC video. And you can take any duplicate that you want. You need a lot of them, a lot of same card. What I do usually also for this effect is that I use a different back from the rest of the card that I use, all right? This is really important because this acts as a prediction. Don't forget about that. And this goes into your wallet goes into your pocket, and basically you're ready to go. Now for the actual performance of it, it's quite easy. As you guys know, I'm using the King of Clubs, so I'm gonna go in the deck, find the King of Clubs so that I can force it to the spectator. The force that I use in the performance that you guys saw is the second deal force, and it goes like this. So anywhere that the spectator is gonna call stop, let's say they say stop here, I have complete control of the king, but you can do any kind of forces you want. Quick tip for the second deal force, I actually deal cards face up like this so that the spectator can actually see that all the cards are different, and when they say stop, I have my King of Clubs right here. Now if you guys remember in the performance that you saw, also the spectator, my boy Julien, shuffled the deck at first, and when I got the deck, I did a force. And the way it works is that I actually palm the force card right here like this, so I can give the deck to the spectator, they can shuffle it till Christmas if they want, and I still have complete control of the kings. So when they give the deck back, I can just place the card on top and I'm ready to force the card. First step, force the card. They say stop. Stop, great. This is gonna be the selection. Now I ask them to remember their card to show it to everyone as well. And now after this I say, would it be crazy if I knew that you were gonna choose this card? And people are like, oh my god, something's going on, something's going to happen, right? And now I'd say, I'll always place one card inside my wallet. And this is a prediction. Watch, I have nothing in my hand, and now you reach down and grab your wallet, and you go like this. You open your wallet just a bit, right? Don't go like this because they're gonna see all the cards there. Just open a bit so they can kind of see cards. And now you say, for the first time, what was your card? And now the spectator will say King of Clubs, or any card that you guys forced. King of Clubs, perfect. Let me see. All right, I think I got it right here. Oh, King of Clubs. And you place it on the table like this, and instantly, everyone is going to laugh. Because it's fun, it's a funny gag, it's a funny trick also. You can almost stop right here if you want, right? Because it's funny. It's not magical, but it's really fun. Or you can go further. And this is what I like to do. I take my wallet, place it again on the table, and now you just wait a bit. You wait for them to say something. They're probably going to say, it's easy. You just have a lot of cards in your wallet, right? And now you say, yeah, but I told you that I knew you were gonna choose the King of Clubs. And now you open your wallet slowly again. And now you say, because this one is the King of Clubs, this one is the King of Clubs, this one is the King of Clubs, this one too, and all of them are the King of Clubs. And trust me, everyone's gonna go crazy. Because this is a big kick at the end. Nobody expected that. Also, quick tip for you guys. Really important that when you show the kings, you don't go like this. This is the King of Clubs. This one too, this one too, this one also, this one too, this one too, and this one too. That's the reason why. you're super bored right now. You have to put a lot of energy. Your energy needs to rise. So you do it this way. When you open the wallet to show the other cards, you spread it a bit and you say, because this one is the king clubs, this one is the king club, this one too, and now spread everything, drop it on the table, spread it, and a lot of energy is super important for that kind of effect because it's a big kick at the end and people are going to freak out, and you're welcome. Try it and let me know how it goes. Another thing that you guys can do also if you don't want to put these cards in your wallet is that you can take a small envelope and place all of these cards here and draw like a question mark on the envelope or write prediction or something like that. And now you say, here, have a prediction. And people are going to be like, okay, wait, okay. Now you say, I know what you're going to do before you're going to do it. And they're going to be like, wait, what? And now you start the trick. And again, when you go inside of the envelope, you say, king of clubs, you said, and now you go through the envelope, but you search like you need to find the king, and now you say, oh, king of clubs, perfect, boom. And now that's the funny part, when you remove all of the other cards and show that it's the same, and you can rip the envelope to show that there's nothing else inside the envelope, and that's a really good kick too. It gives more emotions to the effect. So yeah, that's a little bonus for you guys. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this. So there you go, guys. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to drop a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe. My name is Alex Boyer, and I'll see you guys really, really soon. Peace!